Have you heard about YouTube dropshipping? Let's explore this exciting new business model. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a great platform for advertising and reaching potential customers. Combine that with dropshipping, and you have a winning formula. But why is this important? Well, traditional brick-and-mortar retail is declining, and e-commerce is booming. YouTube dropshipping is a way to tap into that market. Take the example of Sarah, who started a YouTube channel reviewing beauty products. She then linked her channel to her dropshipping store, and her business took off. So, it's clear that YouTube dropshipping is a viable business model. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed in this field too.